playing now?
We're gonna roll the windows down. You're gonna turn up some silly music. The kids are gonna think it's an ice cream truck. And when they run out here for some candy, when they run here to get some free candy, you grab Jack.
Damn it! No, Simmons, I'm not. Damn.
But I already told you her demand. She wants $5 million.
So we can just call.
So she's gonna.
Holy. Call her. So where is?
But she did. I don't know. So she's gonna.
Skull that goon. Just the tires.
Right now! I'm on it, mate!
Hold still, you bastard. Look at dude.
How you doing? How you doing? I see y'all. I'm starting to get good at not letting.
Look at this dude.
Alright.
Banner and he out. That way he can.
A lovely day. Med Vingresebarn.
Nytt år. Samma jävla jobb. Om måndagskänslan är kvar hela veckan.